Firecracker in it?
Yes. Okay. Let's firecracker.
How many firecrackers are you?
Okay, everybody get ready. We're going to blow the Jello.
All right, everybody ready?
I think you want to get it as deep as possible, though.
Okay, Tom, you're a little too close. Nice. Okay, let's do another. Good, it's perfect.
Okay, here it goes.
Ready? Here we go.
Wait.
Jiggle after you touch.
For no one.
Whoa! That hit me. That was great.
There's not a lot of.
This is the behind-the-scenes set of the Blow the Jello of Killer Queen video. All of the other kids. And where's the Jello? Daniel, are you? This is Killer Queen behind the scenes. So we had a Jello fiesta.
We had a Jello fiesta, and right now I'm just slurping it down.
What happened?
And high. You have it like all over you, Daniel.
So what do we have? Tell us.
He's slurping up Jello. I'm slurping Jello and making a mess on your face all over. And making bugs come inside the Jello. Behind the scenes. Too bad.
Go ahead. Deliver it again.
I'm crazy.
Here, it's time to blow the Jello. So here's Debbie, who is the mistress of our production. She has provided a lot of options for us in terms of our set and costumes and props. So we're grateful. Thank you, Debbie, for all of your help. It's behind the scenes. Jello blow up, take 4.
100. Which side?
Whichever you want. He was doing the one with the bottom so that it was lifted higher.
Well, this is big, so I don't know that we need to do that.
I agree. Okay, so now, yeah, you're right, because it's a soupy Jello.
Oh my God.
That Jello is...
Well, it will be messy.
So we have Debbie dressing this set.
Oh, how many are we putting in this? 10?
We're doing the last Jello, everybody!
You ready?
Okay,
That's
Ron,
that's all Jello?
you need to be able to get away.
Oh.
Hey!
Plan your escape route. Yeah.
Don't
keep the beer.
No, I'm okay.
You might be too close. Guys, not even closer. Amy, back off.
What?
You can do that again. With beer and fireworks together.
This is the behind...
It didn't really.
Here's the behind the scenes.
Some of guys, don't go in the Jello. It would actually blow up because alcohol is flammable. Yeah.
We'll remember this. Exactly. Okay, Amy is going to...
Wait, how many was that?
Away. Yeah, I wonder.
5.
I might move further away.
There was 5.
I think you guys should move further away.
Use 8.
All right, you ready?
Oh my God!
You have to put it with your music.
Oh, you should get AJ back.
Wait, how many?
Where is AJ? Where's AJ? AJ! Ooh.
We can reuse
That Jello is.
Pour the shot.
Alright, New Balance. Wait, was it a good one this time?
No,
it was the same thing.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Dynamite and gelatin.
How many are we using this time?
Are you having
900?
fun?
How many are we using? Back up, Daniel, and
So
get
back
another
up for
shot.
your help. Thank you.
More!
Get in my ear! Got my hair!
No way to put in 8.
Yo, you like 2.
You put in a whole package.
Yeah, just like light the package. Throw a grenade at it. Come on. Blast radius of 75 meters.
You can twist one more.
Hello?
Yeah, her mom probably heard like the gunshots.
Oh, right.
All right, this
Then
sounds good.
put in another 4. Put in another 4. Yeah, put in
another 4. Put in another 4. Oh!
Run! How many?
Stay back, guys.
4 again.
Stay back. Oh, but that was a pretty good one. It like really a little shot of butter.
Who wants to eat it?
Who wants to eat it?
I dare for someone to take the dough that Daniel fish.
What?
Okay.
Stay back! Daniel, get it, go, go.
He's blowing 6! He's blowing 6!
After shot.
It won't blow up! It died!
This is what happens when you blow up Jello.
It died! Oh my God! And blowing up Jello leads to violence.
Philly, was that cool?
Yeah!
You liked it?
The only thing to touch.
What'd you like?
When all of them popped in the air.
Me too. What does it make you feel?
I was scared when that happened. I was like,
And you liked it?
yeah.
You like being scared? Why?
No.
Oh. Then what did you like about it?
Blowing up Jello leads to beer. Oh! Awesome! Yeah!
Some more.
Woohoo! I didn't see it.
No, don't leave those here. That's a bad idea.
Tie two of the bottoms together.
All right.
Tie two of the bottoms together?
Tie 3 of them together.
Awesome! We're gonna light 3 bottle rockets at a time! Oh!
Yay.
And it's gonna blow! Boom! The bottle. So, no, these just launch. All these do is launch.
All right, here we go.
Guys, back, get away.
Yay. And that's the end of our show.